Hey folks, welcome to Sawnee Mountain Motors Online. Have a absolutely beautiful car for you today. This car shows like it's really brand new. New car dealer trade, 19 Subaru Ascent. It's a limited. It only has 62,000 miles on it, and it is exceptionally nice, as you will see. Let's walk around it. You can see the paint is shiny and slick and smooth. We've detailed it. The car was super clean when we got it. It's got almost brand new Michelins all the way around it. Always the sign of an incredibly good trade-in that people did not skip on their maintenance. Door panel, exceptional. Dash, steering wheel, everything's nice. Navigation, got all the good stuff. Leather. 2 keys. It's already got the all-weather mats in it. In the back you've got center row bucket seats. You have a panoramic sunroof, rear controls and outlets, and you've got your 3rd row seat. But it's crisp and clean. No evidence of car seats in here. Cargo mat in the back. Seats obviously lay down. Got the nice sunshades in the back, the roll-up sunshades. Keep the kids out of the kiddos' eyes or anyone else. Memory seating, Harman Kardon audio system. If you guys ever wonder about our little orange things, those are just air fresheners that we put in all our cars. Smell really good. Steering wheel super nice. All the buttons are nice. There's your 2 keys. Leather on the seats. If you're looking for a Subaru Ascent, I don't think you'll find anything whatsoever to complain about on this car. As with all of our cars, we put them through the shop. We fully service everything. All the fluids and filters, make sure there's no leaks or problems, no vibrations, rattles, bangs, that the cars drive like they're supposed to. And you have no maintenance to do when you leave Sawnee Mountain Motors with a new car. Appreciate you guys shopping. As always, you can get me on my cell phone, Mike Stout, anytime, 404-867-5028. Thanks so much and have a great day.